Hi everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome back to my wondernetting channel, and today I'll be wrapping up my year and showing you everything I crocheted in 2024. I've counted 38 items that I made this year and created tutorials for them here on my channel, and also I have 6 paid patterns available on my Etsy and Ko-fi. The links you will find in the description below the video. Today is December 28th for me. Let me know in the comments what day it is for you. Also share in the comments what you've crocheted in 2024. Let's make comments a place of inspiration and new ideas for everyone in 2025. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, there will be even more beautiful and exciting videos and tutorials here next year. This year brought a few big events in my life. The first one was our move from Poland to Vietnam, where we're still living now, and the move itself was easy for me, but the adjustment took some time. Now I've gotten used to it and feel good and comfortable here. The second big event was reaching 100k subscribers here on YouTube and earning the silver button. Honestly, I thought I'd hit 100k subscribers at the end of December, but you gave me an amazing gift and we reached 100k in October. I'm so grateful to you for that. Your love, your support mean the world to me. Let's keep inspiring each other and bringing joy. My silver button is currently in Poland, and as soon as I'll get it, I'll definitely show it to you. I'm just not sure when that will be yet. Now let's go through my projects. Month by month, I'll scroll my gallery and share everything with you. So January 3rd of 2024, I made this bow-shaped bag. I donated it for charity in Poland. It's super cute and handy purse. You can slip your hand through the bow to carry it like a clutch, and the bow looks like a bracelet, a stylish bracelet on your wrist. I think it's a really cute bag. The next project, also in January, this flower bouquet, a lovely gift idea for Valentine's Day or maybe International Women's Day. It's a quick project and I kept these flowers as a room decor. They look so delicate and spring-like. Next tutorial was a little bow keychain, and I know you like this tutorial so much. Super easy and super cute, perfect for keys, for bags, for backpacks. Also keep this in mind when you want to crochet something quick and simple. Heart-shaped bag, another adorable piece and great idea for Valentine's Day. It's surprisingly spacious, and if you use thicker yarn, you can make it even bigger. My most popular tutorial this year, a coquette top. The design is super simple and it's cute and flattering for any body type. You can make it with almost any type of yarn and it works up really quickly. Mohair cardigan. I had some colorful mohair and I thought it would be perfect for airy and light cardigan. Super easy to make and you can adapt the pattern for any type of yarn. Flower sleeves or shrugs, they scream spring. They are so cute and practical and great to wear for a workout, for example. Granny square flower bag, my favorite bag. I use it all summer and I plan to use it next year too. It even has a zipper and I show how to add one in that tutorial. Layer top, I think it's a creative alternative for regular crochet tops. You can mix and match colors for a unique everyday look. Rainbow top. I actually made this as a part of comparison, crocheted top versus knitted top. I made two identical tops with the same yarn, with the same number of stitches, with the same number of rows. Check this video out to see the results and let me know which one you prefer. Top and skirt set. I used thick acrylic yarn for this and it's perfect for layering over the shorts or the jeans. It looks magical, like you're wearing a cloud. Ruffle top. At that time the dresses with ruffle were trending, so I decided to make a top inspiring by that. It's super easy to crochet and mohair adds such an elegant touch. Lace top, another pretty piece. I actually have it somewhere in my shelf. It's so compact but looks so stunning, especially in this pink color. Another lacy top. This time I made only the bottom section lacy and it turned out beautifully. And I still have it somewhere in my shelf. And fun fact, this top was my first project here, made here in Vietnam. Flower bandana, a cute and stylish accessory. It's perfect when you want to crochet something beautiful, quick and easy. Crochet dress, a fun favorite. I made this dress just in 3 days using thick yarn and large hook. It's just gorgeous. Flower coasters, I still use these. They add so much coziness to my home. The bucket hat, another quick and easy project you can finish in one evening. Another crochet dress, it's my favorite dress and it looks so chic and stylish, but it's super easy and simple to make. The granny square dress. People still ask me if I wove in all the ends, and that's something I'll keep as a secret. Seashell bag were a beautiful purse. I used some unique yarns for that, which gave this bag some magical, maybe mermaid vibe. Were a beautiful purse. Knitted cardigan, and it's the first knit tutorial this year on my channel, and it's the easiest and fastest cardigan you can knit up in a few days, maybe 2 days I think, and no buttons needed, just tie it with a bow. A laptop bag or university bag, it's a practical and spacious bag, fits everything you need for work, for study, for school, so you should definitely make one for yourself. Another popular tutorial on my channel, an old money cardigan. Cardigan with a black trim. Everyone loved the pattern and the design of this cardigan. The next tutorial was vest with a tapestry. It's just the usual crochet vest, but I decided to add some tapestry in the middle to make it more interesting, so you can crochet with tapestry or without tapestry, and that will be just usual crochet vest. Next tutorial was glitter crop top. This one's great for holidays, maybe I'll wear it for New Year's. It's red and glittery and people often ask me if it's itchy. It's not, it's very comfy. Fairy headband, a remake of my popular ear accessory. This time I'm using silver yarn and it's perfect for Halloween or to pair with some romantic outfit. Patchwork cardigan, or I called it not granny but square cardigan, an alternative to a granny square cardigan. I combined some horizontal and vertical squares for a more interesting look. The remake of my spider web top. I've already have 2 tutorials on a spider web top and this one is the simplest. Cardigan made from fluffy yarn. In that tutorial I shared how to crochet any cardigan you want from any yarn you want, so check it out, it's super easy. Super cute accessory, a chunky flower scrunchie. It's so adorable and I think it's a perfect gift for a friend. Crocheted flowers on the wall. Everyone is amazed by them and I have a vlog where I shared how I made them, so be sure to check it out. Crochet socks. They caused a sensation on my Instagram and TikTok. They're super easy to make, they look like they're knitted and are really practical and comfy. You absolutely need to make a pair for yourself. My husband is wearing mine right now, so I had to make the second pair for myself. I also made for my dad and also made a pair for my mom. The next tutorial is cardigan that I'm wearing right now. It's so in winter aesthetic. Looks incredibly beautiful, stylish and cozy, and it works up really quickly, so give it a try. Crochet bonnets, very trending right now, a very practical alternative for a usual hat because it also covers your neck, which is great for strong winds. I wore it all the time when I went back to my hometown at the beginning of the December and it was freezing cold, so this bonnet was a lifesaver. Beanie and fingerless gloves, another hat I alternated with my bonnet and it's very universal and cute. As you can see, I'm also wearing matching fingerless gloves. These are the part of a full set matching with my crochet socks, and a set like this is the perfect winter holiday gift for your loved ones, and you can even customize it by embroidering different matching designs on it. Maybe not bows, maybe hearts, stars, I don't know, Christmas trees. And now I want to talk a little bit about my paid patterns that I made this year. So the first one is the yellow or golden lace cardigan. Love the color and airy design. I wore it all the summer and I couldn't take it off because it's super versatile and beautiful. Polo t-shirt and pleated skirt set. Many people adore this set, especially this skirt, which is genuinely amazing. It pairs well with many outfits. By the way, each pattern comes with video tutorial, the QR code to the video tutorial, so you have a writing pattern and QR code to a video tutorial. Shorts and top set. It's perfect for workouts or just to wear it at home, and I love pairing it with the white shorts and the sneakers for a casual look. Mesh dress with flowers, ideal for summer vacations or layering over the basic dress to spice up your outfit. Top with tapestry or winter style top that's quite unique and reminds me of summer camp. You can customize the text as you want and make the embroidery you like. And the last one, the lace skirt, a multi-layered skirt. I think it's super stylish, and you can wear protective shorts underneath and don't worry about it being seen through. It complements any summer outfit beautifully. So in total, I made 38 free patterns, free tutorials here on YouTube, and with paid ones, it's 44 patterns this year. It's been such a productive year for me, and I try to release the video every week, and I'm going to do the same way next year too. Let me know in the comments which one of these patterns is your favorite. I thank you for watching this video, and I thank you for being here with me in 2024. Let's be together in the next year, and I wish you love, peace and happiness in the next year, and may your cherished dreams come true in 2025. Be happy and loved. Happy New Year, cuties! I'll see you in the next year!